Hello and welcome everybody to this video. Here's Ahmad. In this video I'm gonna shoot two birds in one stone. And this tutorial we're gonna cover two subjects. The first one is bootstrapping and the other one we're gonna talk about is newsletter in WordPress. We created a custom plugin to manage the newsletter subscription for the user. And this tutorial gonna be complete guide to do all that stuff. So let's begin. First thing, I just want to install WordPress into my machine. So gonna go through it. Shoot two birds with one stone. Actually, let me just check out my database, localhost. I got a database somewhere else. Fresh WordPress. Yep. This is gonna be my WordPress name. Here is the username. It's gonna be root. Okay, submit. Run the installation. We're ready to go. Fresh WordPress admin, and you can type your name here. We installed WordPress into the machine. We can log in, and it's pretty much fine. Right now, we can get started. First thing I want to talk about is WordPress. But before that, we have Bootstrap. We have here a complete Bootstrap example. This is an empty page, but it has the Bootstrap base. You can get started with it. You can start writing code and use later on the benefits from bootstrapping. You can see some examples here implemented in Bootstrap, so you can run this demo. We have a carousel here, we have a slider. You can see here we have a window slider. You can navigate across windows section, and you have this great functionality of scrolling, and you can scroll up and navigate between the pages. You can see here when you click this question mark, you're gonna see this fancy on top div in the page. You can see many elements here, including icon that's supported by Bootstrap by default. And also you can go to see a lot of examples here, like drop down menus, stuff like this. Alright, buttons and many other things, input fields that are supported by Bootstrap. There's a bunch of stuff here about what I'm talking about. You can see here also a menu. And also you can use the benefits from input field, text area, and you can also see the response back. For example, when you click in the send button, you can see here we got an error, and this because we don't have defined the connection right. So this kind of stuff are auto enhanced in Bootstrap, so you can just mention them in the style or the class, and you can use these features. You can see here panels, tables, stuff like that. So this is just the base setup for the Bootstrap. I don't want to talk a lot about Bootstrap. Maybe we're gonna make more in detail tutorial about it. Let me just go to the other thing that we want to talk about. This video we want to talk about how to make a simple. You can see this is an Arabic, so but you can change this. We're gonna see how to change this into subscription using WordPress. So you need to type your email address, okay, and next you type your, and after that, if you type something wrong, and click subscribe or اشترك in Arabic. See, this is not a valid email address, so you need to type a valid email address, and after that you're gonna type subscribe. So you can see here loading. After that it's successfully gonna have it, but because we are using different we are not running on WordPress, we got this message. So we want to know how to integrate this into WordPress. So let me check the time here. We got time. So first thing, after you install into WordPress, you need to add a new plugin. So just go to add, so you can upload or import a plugin, or just you can go here to no Bootstrap plugin source, email newsletter, and after that you just take the content of this plugin and you move to web content, plugins, and paste your plugin over there. And after this you can go to install plugins and activate your plugin by clicking activate. So after you activate your plugin, you get this email newsletter. So I'm gonna show you different ways you can work with this. So you can go add a new, you can use the shortcode. If you go to the source code here that I provided to you, you can go to new Bootstrap. You can use this shortcode, this one. Okay, you click here, publish. So after you publish the changes, you can go and view. So you guys see here we get a subscription newsletter, so you can submit, you get the same thing. So this is one of the ways. You can use other thing by taking this code right there, show. So if you go, for example, to web content, themes, let me go to see what is my theme. Appearance themes. The current theme is 2012, so you just go 2012. For example, if you go page, and I paste my code in the page here, content, paste the code here, page. So you can go and create a new page or see the existence pages. For example, sample page, you can go view. You can see here we got the subscription over there. And there's other way, which is a manual way, and I prefer to use this way, using custom and inline code. So first thing, you need to go to header, the PHP in your theme, and we need to include the widget that we have. So pretty much you just go to here, this place. You need to copy the widget for our script. So this is gonna be our widget, or you can use this actually. Yeah, you copy the script, you go to header, you go to the HTML here, hit, and you type the script, but you need to include the library or the main folder for the main template name. So you need to include first this script, no Bootstrap, into your theme. So pretty much you can do this by coming here to new Bootstrap GS and copy this GS file into your theme 2012. So paste it. It's here, widget. And don't forget to add the relative path to your blog. So I'm just going to reference my script. And the second step is to include the script in the page. So so you can copy the following script from here and paste it in somewhere else in your maybe header, your page, and the navigation somewhere else. So I can put it, for example, let me say the footer. So if I go, sorry, if I go to my theme 2012, I go footer. Where's my footer? Okay, so I'm just gonna type it over here, for example, or inside the footer if you want. So you can type this. Alright, so after this you can go refresh the page. So you're gonna see it's there. Alright, but you can see we don't see the button. So we need to include the CSS. Okay, so I need to include the CSS, but here be careful about the path for the CSS. So include the path for images. So I got here image, this is an image, and this is also an image. Alright, so just include all these elements. Alright, copy the style script into my header here. Just copy this. Alright, and I save the changes. But hey, wait a minute, copy the file here. No, I need to copy this and Bootstrap into a 2012 theme, and also I need to copy the main script for the subscription loader. Name function is subscription loader, so you just copy it into the page, the main header. And also don't forget to add this line into your body. Unload subscription loader into the body, or the beginning of the body actually. So we're gonna hit. Alright, so we add this line into the main document. Right now we can go and refresh the page, and we're gonna see the subscription part over there. You click subscribe. We can go to other page, for example the paying page, visit the page. Alright, we can see that we click the console. Okay, you can see here we got body, the script over there. You can select the network in order to make sure everything is correctly. Alright, but before that, make sure you have changed the URL to your location. So here inside the header, HTTP localhost first WordPress, and you can go again to your WordPress page, refresh it, try to add anything else, okay, .com, and save it. So you can see here it's loading, and subscribe successfully. You can go to newsletter, view subscriber, and here you can see the subscriber. You can select it, and you can send them a message and stuff like that. This is pretty much about this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Ahmad Nasser, all the time with you. Thank you.